16, which is constructorLine. It wants us to add the following constructor to our line class. If you're unfamiliar with our line class, we've gone over problems that's in the playlist, link below that like button, and it looks something like this. So we coded this last time. We know we have these private fields points. And now what this exercise is telling us to do is add this function, which is a constructor, to here and basically modify our fields. So let's do that. We know that these values, x1, y1, x2, y2, are going to be going into P1 and P2 respectively, right? So all we need to do is set our P1 to be equal to these new things. So we know that we have a like this dot P1. We know it's a point, right? So we have to set it equal to a point, and actually it's going to be a new point. And inside of here is where we're going to pass in our x1 and our y1. And this is pretty much the same thing that we're going to have to do for the next one. So let's go down this line, and instead of having this dot P1, we'll have this dot P2, and we want to change in the variables we pass in, so we'll do x2 and y2. So let's submit that. If you have any questions, always ask. Pass 3 out of 3 tests. And so that's how we would do this exercise 8.16, which is constructorLine.